Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn basic of Flutter application. Now let's start. Just open the VS Code in the window. Okay. Not needed. Go over the view. Click on the command palette. You will find the Flutter new app project. Click on it. Here we are going to learn some basic of Flutter applications, so we do not need extra comments or extra code in our file. So just create the empty application, select the folder, give the name of the file or application, like name is demo underscore second app. Yeah, here we go. Enter. It takes some time to creating the necessity files. Yeah. If you are creating project with me, you will find the main.dart file. This is the file which is the main entry point of the Flutter application. Main.dart file. Okay. Now let's understand the code step by step. Okay. We'll find that. So basically, material.dart package provides the facility to design UI under the guidelines of Android. But if you are working on iOS, then the package is different for their design and guidelines. But currently we only focus on Android, so we are just talked about material.dart package. Okay. And why constant use, we will talk about called by as a parameter. Okay. We go in depth. I need you to know that some attributes of Flutter, like before we going to start in depth, I need you to know some basic attributes of Flutter, like Flutter. In regards of Flutter, you often hear everything is a widgets. Like basically widgets you can call that everything whichever you can see on the app, like every aspects of in your app is a widgets. Like if I talk about app screen, which have two text box and a one submit button, then text box, each text box is itself a widgets, and a button is also a widgets. Like if I talk about in a broad manner, if I talk about my Flutter structure to the HTML page, then you in HTML page you find the head tag and the body tag, and followed by the table or div. Within the table or div you find the text box or button elements. So same tag or table, div, anything, here you just find the widgets which work or summarized or streamlined by you as a design perspective. Like small container, you have a big container and you have other small container within it, just like this concept with Flutter. Like this is the one, my first widgets is a full app, page, full mobile screen page, widgets. Within it you have the body widget. Within it you have text widgets and many more as per the complexity of your app screen. Yeah, this scaffold thing, this is nothing like, just like if I talk about it provides a standard structure of your app. Like if a container contains your all necessity things which you need in your app, which already wrap up in the scaffold container or scaffold class. Like this is the scaffold for standard app. This is the scaffold class for your app structure, basic app structure, which contains all necessity things like app bar, navigation bar, like body tag, and back button, floating button, like all the needy things which you want in your basic app. It provides the structure. Basic UI for Android, which already fulfill the Android guidelines. So this material app class generally under this class. Okay, now let's talk about this. This is the main app class where we create the constant constructor, and this is the super key. Basically this key is very useful for dynamic files. This key ensures that Flutter identifies and use the correct widgets rather than creating new widgets.